Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Ford F-150 grill emblem. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a trim removal tool, a new emblem, a clean cloth, and some rubbing alcohol. Make sure your truck is parked safely on a level surface. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful emblem replacement process. Taking these initial steps will save you time and effort later on. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Gently use your trim removal tool to pry around the edges. Be patient and work slowly to avoid scratching your grill. Many emblems are held by 2 or 3 retaining clips or small screws, so locate and release those carefully. Once removed, thoroughly clean the area with rubbing alcohol to ensure no old adhesive or dirt remains. This creates a perfect surface for your new emblem. With the area clean, it's time to install your brand new emblem. Carefully align the new emblem with the existing mounting holes or the designated adhesive area on your grill. Once aligned, press firmly and evenly across the entire surface. If your emblem uses clips, ensure they snap securely into place. For adhesive-backed emblems, apply consistent pressure for about 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond. A good seal is key for durability. Finally, let's do some quick checks and share a few tips. Take a moment to inspect your newly installed emblem, ensuring it's perfectly aligned and securely attached. If your emblem uses adhesive, it's best to avoid washing your truck's grill for at least 24 hours to allow the adhesive to fully cure. For extra protection and shine, consider applying a clear protective sealant. Enjoy your refreshed Ford F-150 look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.